Hi guys, welcome back. It's Gabby here. So, how are you guys doing? And hopefully everyone is well and safe, of course. So, this video, I would like to give you an update for our upcoming birthday giveaway. Yeah, are you guys excited? It's one more week to go. It's next Tuesday. Today is Tuesday here in the Netherlands, so means the next Tuesday, November 3rd, 2020 is the grand raffle draw. And one more thing, this is very important, okay? Why I asked you to send the screenshot, to send your entry into my Facebook page, Cook with Gabby. The reason is, yung hindi po siya natatabunan. I can really see it because I am the one checking it, you know? So, I am the one checking the inbox. So, hindi po siya natatabunan. So, if you, kasi sinisend ko siya every group to group as long as I can. I spread it out, the message. And most of you guys also have a kind heart that shared my video. And if you try to send your entry via responding it on the comment box, it is very likely na hindi ko po siya nakikita. I'm so sorry for that, you know. That's why ang ask ko po, I was really specific that send it into my Facebook page, Cook with Gabby, kasi nakikita ko siya, hindi siya natatabunan po. Yeah? So to those who joined but forgot to send it into my page, please do. I will really appreciate it. Yeah. So back into to those who responded. I give you an update of how overwhelming the response is. So I was really happy. And look at this. I am excited. Oh my God. So I have this huge box here because I wanted to pour it. Okay. So look at you. How many of you here? So yes, it's fun. Yeah. So meaning there are more of you in my family in my kitchen already. Welcome. Yippee. So yes, I am happy. So again, guys, if you think that your name is not there in the box, please send your entry into my page, Cook with Gabby. I will put in my description box below how to join, okay? So I will try again here. Watch some of my videos. Take a screenshot in my YouTube channel, Cook with Gabby, okay? My YouTube channel is Cook with Gabby. Watch some videos there, take a screenshot, and send it into my Facebook page, Cook with Gabby NL as well, okay? And you are going to win 1,500, three of you, 1,500 pesos, and also the school of your choice, 1,500 pesos. So technically you won 3,000, but the half of it will go to the school, okay? The purpose of this game is also you win and also the school, because my heart is with the kids who are learning, guys, okay? So I am really trying to help them as I can, you know. From my YouTube salary, I already send there. But I am not a viral person. I don't earn that much, but I'm still trying, okay? So to those who supported me, to those who are into my YouTube family and my Facebook page followers family, thank you so much. Welcome to my kitchen, guys. This is Gabby, okay? So please, to those who are not joined yet, you are always welcome. You are always welcome. We have one more week to go. And please do send it into my Facebook page, Cook with Gabby. Yeah. So I will see you again. I will see you on, okay, the draw. It will be Tuesday, November 3rd, 3 p.m. Netherlands time. So, okay, we are on winter time already. So it's 7 hours. We are back 7 hours behind from the Philippines. So 3 p.m. here in the Netherlands. So in the Philippines will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my God, it's 10, but it's 10 in the evening in the Philippines. But do not worry, guys. Like, if you are not, because I totally understand that some of you might not online, might not available. I will give you, I will send a message through your messenger. That's why I asked you to send it on the messenger, because I will give you an update there if you win or not, okay? Like I will give you a beep there. Hey, you won, okay? So, that's it. I will see you on Tuesday, okay? Send your entries, yippee! Okay, that's it for today. See you soon, Gabby here, and stay safe and well. God bless everyone. Bye!